Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this, it's a hole saw, and we're gonna open this up and figure this out together. Ooh, look at this, look how nice it is. It comes with its own little case. So there it is. So I'll aim you guys down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Take this stuff away. So can you see? Yes. Oh, look at that. All these different bits for the hole saw so you can cut some holes. So let's see, we got this bin here. Oh, these are so nice. It's like a 2-inch one. It even says it right there on it. They all kind of fell apart, so that's what the problem is here. They all fell out of the box. But we can put them back in so they all look nice and pretty where they're supposed to be, I guess. I'm not even sure if they're where they're supposed to be, but you get the idea. Comes with, here are some smaller drill bits here just to drill some holes with springs and attachments and stuff. I guess I guess they're more centers. If the centers break, it gives us that. So let's just try one of these here. Let's just take a middle of the road size here. So this is what it looks like here. So it's gonna drill the hole, and then it's got the little spring. Oh, the spring is a little kick out the circle when it's finished. How cool is that? Okay, let's see. Let's put this in my drill. Am I going the right way? Nope, going the wrong way. So there. So now we have it in my drill, and we're gonna try to drill a hole through this tiny piece of wood here. So if we go. Okay. I didn't tighten it enough, obviously. There we go. There. I have a tightening problem, but here we go. Let's try this again. So there, and you saw. So it made the hole. I mean, aiming at me, it made the hole, and then it had the little piece. You know, usually that piece of wood gets stuck in the hole, but it doesn't because it's got that spring. So spring pushed it out. So, and then we have our hole in the wood right there. My wood is a piece of junk, so it kind of just blew through it. But you get the idea of how it works, and it's got nice sharp teeth on there. That's for sure. So this is really going to make a good hole into whatever. You could probably drill this in the cement. I don't even know. Does it say what it's for? Nah, it just says drill holes, but really cool. And if you need to undo it, you just take this off. If you need to replace your drill bit here or anything like that, or want to sharpen them at some point, but it's a really nice set. And you can see there's all the little markings that say the size and everything. So super cool set, thumbs up for sure.